video blog. And we're gonna make this whole week vlogs to be a video version of it.
This is our bathroom, or the bathroom that I use. And I have carpet so that the water that leaks will be collected and we can use it for the toilet. So I kept this open so that it's easier for me to fill the water in the tank to flush it. And there's a leak. I don't know why it's leaking and how it's leaking, so.
Yesterday was a crazy eye. Tennessee. So I got my phone back. Good. I don't know. You may call me stupid. Did one of the darndest things today. It's another day. Hold on. Okay.
We need to make sure you get the lesson. That's the hardest
How
one.
about for the next month?
So what do the lesson? I want to do the lesson. I want to do the lesson. Give me 5. You're going to be my partner. All right.